Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to give you 4 Amazon KDP low content, high demand keywords that you can get started on publishing books from today. I'm going to show you exactly how, and I'm going to show you what you need to do in order to get started. So the first keyword for the day. Before we get started, subscribe to the channel. We do daily videos talking about Amazon KDP keywords that are low competition. We break it down for you. We also talk about ways that you can make passive income online, such as writing on vocal media and on Medium, and also publishing print-on-demand content on Redbubble and on other print-on-demand websites as well. So subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon in order to be notified on all our new videos. Let's get started with the first keyword for the day. And the first keyword for the day is journal, notebook, Black woman, sister, friends. And this is a really good keyword. All the other indications indicate this is a good keyword. We're using a self-publishing Titans Chrome extension. We are also using Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, and we are using 2 other free Chrome extensions as well that I've broken down for you in a detailed video I did on the channel to guide you through downloading all 4 and using them appropriately. Chrome extensions for revealing profitable Amazon KDP keywords. So this keyword has been given by self-publishing Titans a pretty low keyword niche score, but I'm going to ignore that for the sake of all the other analytics section here given by self-publishing Titans, as well as the confirmation by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, which gives it a number 7, categorizing this keyword as a nice niche. So personally, ignore the keyword niche score given by self-publishing Titans and stick to the analytics right here, which we're going to break it up for you. Total searches, 161 total searches. Average bestseller rank is quite high, but still it is good, 646,047, and an average reviews of 2,234. Average price is $10.90. Now, it is rare to see nowadays a keyword that is more of a journal and notebook style nowadays, because it is quite saturated, the journal and the notebook niche. So having a keyword specifically for journal or notebook is rare, and it is quite good. I would personally jump into this niche and do a couple of notebooks under this, and also I would specialize to do more themed notebooks for Black women that are mostly like either as a gift for sisters, a gift for friends who are Black women. It would sell really well. And right now you do want to emphasize the importance of creating an engaging cover for the notebook, because mostly the interior is going to be lined pages, or if you want to over deliver, then you can include maybe inspirational quotes for each page or each several pages of lined sheets. Just little inspirational quotes at the bottom left or right, or the top left or right corner would be nice as well, and it will be like taking that extra step to be unique and to provide some sort of value apart from just selling a regular notebook with a nice cover and lined sheets. But then again, the choice is up to you. As you can tell, the cover really does sell, and there are a couple of books that are ranking under this keyword. Also, one important point, that if you do create any books for Black women, either activity books, coloring books, prop journals, for example, you can go ahead and use this keyword and include it as part of your 7 keyword slots. And you could also get your book ranking for this keyword as well. So journal, notebook, Black woman, sister, friends, wonderful analytics right here is our first keyword for the day. Let's have a look at the second keyword, which is core values planner. Core values planner, it has great analytics, even better than the previous keyword. It has a keyword niche score of 43 and a total results under 1,000, which sits at 567. Average bestseller is amazing. It is under 300,000, which is ideal, and it is sitting at 234,363, and the average price is $2.78. Personally, very low. And also with the changes in the Amazon prices and the printing prices as well, it is no longer sustainable to do it, to price your books in this price as well. And you do need to adjust your prices either manually or automatically using their tool as well. So core values planner is amazing. It's basically a planner, either a 30-day planner or a 60-day planner that really does outline your core values. It's more like a worksheet type that really helps you work out what your core values are, get your life in priority, that kind of thing. Core values planner, keyword niche score 43. I would personally ignore the number 5 given by Amazon Scout Pro because of first of all, the keyword niche score given by self-publishing titans 43, which is good. It's not great, but it's good. Also, the total results indicate that it is very high, very low total results, 567. Average bestseller ranking indicates that books have been selling, but do keep in mind that the majority of the books under this keyword, the core values planner, as you can see, they are more of FBA related. They're more of like a hardcover planner, but this should not stop you from creating a independently published KDP planner on core values. It really will stick out among the competition. I wouldn't completely focus on this keyword because of the majority of the books being FBA sold books and medium to high content books, but yet again I would highly advise you to create 2 or 3 books under this keyword right here. Don't completely rely on it, but dive in to create some books and then just advertise using Pinterest free pins and see how you go as well. So I'd like to share with you because of the great analytics and potential of this keyword. The third keyword is 52-week self-care journal for men. And this is one of the best keywords that I've talked about so far. Why? Because of the confirmation given by self-publishing titans and by Amazon Scout Pro extension, which gave this a keyword niche score of number 9. Green light right over here. Great niche, great potential. We've got the keyword niche score given by self-publishing titans is 58, so just a few markers away from being a perfect keyword according to the keyword niche score. We also have the total results are below 1,000, sitting at 321. Also, the average bestseller rank is around 300,000, which is nice as well. Seeing that means that there are books selling and there are books, being desired under this keyword, and the average bestseller rank is 351,691. We've got an average reviews of 810. We have an average price, which is, I love to see any prices by KDP publishers being priced at $8 or above, and this is the average price of $9.46, which means that there will be great revenue for you, the seller, if your book does sell. So keeping this in mind, you are creating a 52-week journal about self-care or guiding men for self-care. So then you can even niche down to men in different age groups, senior men, working men. You could really dive into see the potential of this keyword, niche into based on career, for example, men that are doctors, men that are nurses, men that are teachers, and really help to create a customized or more so of a customized feeling. So creating a 52-week self-care journal for men, amazing keyword to dive in. I would potentially, if I were to choose any of these keywords that I've discussed in today's video, this keyword would be the one that would be ranking the best for me, and one that I would focus on creating books for. The fourth and the final keyword, and I do apologize because we are currently facing an error right now, which you will not be able to be a part of because I will skip this video in the edit. It is a blank sticker book for toddlers 1 to 3, and we have a wonderful keyword niche score of 39, total results 583, and the average bestseller is 393,000. Average price is $4.59, and we also have another additional confirmation by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, which is categorizing this niche as a great niche with number 9 as well. So you are creating a blank sticker book for toddlers that are aged between 1 to 3 years old, and you don't need to create blank pages because Amazon's going to refuse that. So you need to do the same as what you would do when you are creating a sketchbook and selling it on Amazon KDP. You would need to create blank pages, but you need to add some elements to these blank pages. Make sure to create large elements, engaging elements, maybe a border would be nice as well, just a quick, maybe a butterfly themed border. You could also niche down to creating a blank sticker book for toddlers 1 to 3, boys, girls, according to gender, or according to for example, the theme. Do you want it to be more of a animal themed blank sticker book? That way you would add some little small elements to each page, so it wouldn't be completely blank, and you'd avoid getting rejected by Amazon because of the fully blank pages. So do keep that in mind. I would personally, if I would rely on any keyword in today's video for the majority of my next 1.5 2 months, I would create books for the keyword blank sticker book for toddlers 1 to 3, and I would also create books for the previous keyword about the 52-week self-care journal for men. I hope that this video found you well, and if you did enjoy today's content, subscribe to the channel. I'd love to have you on board. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.